So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can use your Snapchat account in another device or two devices. First of all, install the Snapchat application from your Play Store or App Store in the second device. And guys, if in the second device also a Snapchat account is logged in, then in that condition simply you have to open the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile, and then tap on the settings icon and simply scroll down the page. So guys, as you scroll down, tap on the logout option and simply tap on the logout option. So guys, as you log out, this kind of page will be open. So guys, if you want to log in your Snapchat account in another device, in that condition you have to tap on the switch account. So as you tap on the switch account, simply you have to fill your Snapchat account login credentials like your username, your email address. You can also use your phone number instant. And friends, after that fill your password and then tap on the login. So guys, as you tap on the login, for the final verification, OTP also has you will receive for final verification as you complete this. And as you tap on the login option, your Snapchat account will be logged in another device or in the second device. So guys, by following these steps you can use your Snapchat account in another device or in the second device. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe.